I'm Chris, founder of Vector Charts. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add nautical charts to your web app using Leaflet, an open source JavaScript mapping library. This video assumes that you've already set up a Vector Charts cloud account. If you haven't, go to vectorcharts.com and click Get Started. If you'd like to follow along with this tutorial, we have code uploaded to GitHub under Vector Charts example apps, which is linked at the bottom of our website. I have an example application here, which uses Leaflet.js and renders a map. You can see here it's just rendering OpenStreetMap. Leaflet typically only supports raster tiles, meaning PNG images that have been pre-rendered. In order to add support for vector tiles, we're going to use a library created called maplibre-gl-leaflet. This bridges Leaflet with a headless version of maplibre that runs and is synchronized with the view in the Leaflet window. So as you scroll around with Leaflet, it's going to use maplibre's engine to render the vector tiles and then copy frame by frame into Leaflet. This is a great solution because you get the rendering from maplibre and then you get the interface of your existing app, which uses Leaflet. The README for maplibre-gl-leaflet includes code examples and installation of the libraries itself. In my case, instead of using unpackaged like in their documentation, I'm using npm and I've installed Leaflet, maplibre-gl-leaflet, and maplibre itself. Once you've done this, all you need to do in order to use maplibre-gl-leaflet is import it and then add a maplibre-gl layer to your map. So here I'll copy the contents of their example where they're initializing a layer and adding it to the map, and I'll put it in my application. I have to change the syntax around a little bit since I'm using React Ref, but that will add maplibre-gl as a layer. So that's the first thing we need to do. The second thing we need to do is tell maplibre to use the style from Vector Charts. So I'm going to log into my Vector Charts Cloud dashboard and then copy the mapbox.gl.js API endpoint. Coming back here, I'll put that into the style property of maplibre-gl. And this is going to pass this off to the underlying maplibre map. So it's going to initialize a maplibre map in the background using this style API from Vector Charts. And then it's going to add it to Leaflet. And the library that we've installed is going to automatically synchronize these views. So now if I go back to my example app and refresh, we'll see that it's going to load the maplibre map. So as I scroll around, you can see that it's integrated great with Leaflet, and it's pretty seamless despite the fact that it's rendering maplibre under the scenes. So the maplibre-gl-leaflet plugin has managed the rendering of the tiles, and then as we scroll around, the camera is updating on both maps. So this is a great way to retrofit vector tile support on top of Leaflet and get Vector Charts into your map. As I scroll around, we can see all the text is smooth, all the icons are updating as we zoom in and out, and everything looks great. And that's it. If you have any questions or comments, please reach out to us using the Contact Us form on our website. Thanks for watching.